Welcome to this tutorial on adding a YouTube subscribe button to your videos using Camtasia. First, visit pixabay.com, a great resource where you can download many free assets for your projects. In the search bar, type YouTube subscribe button and scroll down to browse the available options. For this tutorial, I'll select one of the free items. Simply download the file to your computer. Next, open Camtasia and import the downloaded file by adding it to your timeline. As you can see, the video has a green background, which we'll need to remove. To do this, use the Remove a Color visual effect. And just like that, the background is gone. Here's another example using a different subscribe button template. In this case, the background doesn't get removed automatically. Don't worry, we'll manually select the color to remove, and the button will be ready to go. Lastly, let's check out a full banner with a like and subscribe buttons. It's a great way to increase engagement on your videos. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.